guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. October is full of festivities and the next festive occasion is Diwali, Festival of Lights. So for that I have created this beautiful golden brown smoky eye, perfect for this occasion or any occasion. And it's very easy to create, so let's get going. For your eye makeup to remain all day long, you need to prime your lids first. You can use any concealer, the lighter the better. So I'm going to use Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend it well, and then I'm going to set that with Colourpop setting powder in shade translucent. For this eye makeup look, I'm going to use the Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use the shade Butter and I'm going to blend it well so that I can warm up my crease a bit, and I'm going to blend it till I'm happy with the way it looks. Now for that smoked out outer corner, I'm going to use this beautiful shade called Mocha. It's a beautiful chocolate brown shade, and I'm going to apply it on my outer V area. So I'm just dabbing the product and blending it well. So this is the way how it will look like, because we don't want any harsh lines, right? So blend it well, apply and blend, apply and blend. I'm going to use this beautiful anti-gold shade called Queen on my inner 2/3 area for that festive look, right? So the best way to work with this is either use your fingers or else dampen your brush with some makeup setting spray to get the maximum effect of those metallic shades like this. Now I'm going to take the same dark brown shade on my fingers, and I'm going to blend that golden and brown shade well, because we don't want any harsh lines. And I'm just going to darken the outer V once again with the same color for the maximum smokiness. And I'm going to use the same crease color, and I'm going to go work it out again so that I have some color formation over there. I'm going to use Sugar's brow definer in Jerry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. The way I like it is very natural, so I first brush it, then fill in the sparse areas, and then again I brush the brows again so that I have that natural looking brows. We need to hide those dark circles, right? So I'm going to use NYX Dark Circle Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm applying on the darker areas of my eye. It looks slightly whiter, but it's actually peach in color. And I'm going to use LA Girls Pro Concealer in shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to go over it, and I'm going to blend it well with Nicka's blender. And then I'm going to set that with some translucent powder so that it doesn't crease. So next I'm going to create a beautiful small winged eyeliner with Inglot Gel Liner number 77. It's the darkest black liner, you guys. You need it in your life. I know I rave about it a lot, and it's the smoothest too, so it's very easy to work. I'm going to use Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner in black, and I'm going to use it on my upper waterline. And I'm going to use Nicka's Auto Liner in the shade Evergreen. It's a beautiful leaf green, and I'm going to use it on my lower waterline like this. I'm going to use the same shade Butter that I've used in the crease, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line like this, and the darker brown only on the outer part of the area like this. I'm going to use Mary Lou-Manizer by the Balm Cosmetics to highlight the brow bone area like this, and I'm also going to use the same shade on my inner corner highlight. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply a good coat of Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. After this, if you want to add some falsies, go ahead and add some falsies. I like my natural lashes. No, but actually I'm really scared of applying false lashes, so that's the truth, guys. Wing liner was looking a little weird, so I fixed that, and this, you guys, apply a beautiful bindi and you're good to go for this Diwali. So this is my look number 1 for this Diwali. Beautiful golden brown smoky eyes with a hint of green on your lower lash line. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Guys, it will really mean a lot. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can go ahead and watch many more eye makeup tutorials on my channel. And yes, happy Diwali in advance to you guys. I hope you will subscribe and you will enjoy the festival of lights. Take care. Bye bye.